This is Jimmy, my neighbor.
We're doing a sticker swap. This is my logo. It's not Medusa. It's
Uh-huh.
a made-up species I made.
Okay.
I'm gonna plan on making her out of glass one day, and
Yeah,
this year.
that's cool.
But
Here, let me see if I can get mine out here. Yeah. Keep the.
Cool.
Here we go. We got the
Yeah,
Because We Nomad.
you got a
Right
sunset
there.
on there too. So we're gonna go put this on the other side of the bus.
Oh yeah, there you go. Cool. Woohoo! You got a sticker wall over here?
I already have one on the fridge.
Oh, there you go. Sticker window.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Our fridge is full. So now we're working on that.
Awesome.
We're working on the window.
Woohoo! All right,
Nice.
Because We Nomad on the Woody bus. Jimmy is a fellow nomadic traveler, and he's also an awesome glass blower. And today he is going to make me a pendant.
Like hand mix, you know?
Yeah, it's super cool.
Where you got some like nice little.
So does it
cones.
take like a couple different sticks of, like when you
Yeah.
say hand mixed, how are you mixing it?
Hand mixed, but that's the secret. I can't explain because there's some glass blowers that watch these things, and I have a couple
Top secret
colors in here. Yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It removes the solar flare, which is the orange that you see.
All right, so I got my protective glasses on so I can look at the flame while he's doing the glass blowing. Dude, how does it not? Oh, okay, you did do it on purpose. I was gonna say, how does it not break?
Determination.
Termination.
Termination.
Okay.
And then now I'm gonna add the suction cups.
So is it a hollow tube?
No, it's solid.
Okay.
This is gonna be your pendant.
Oh wow.
Right now I'm just putting. First you have to make a stringer, which is like basically you take a 7 or a 10 millimeter rod, and then you draw it down to a more workable diameter, millimeter, depending on what you want. Then you just kind of put the suction cups on here, and then you need a tool that's either graphite or steel or titanium. Because depending on how hot it is, like you can melt steel. So that glowing orange right there is probably around 2,500 degrees. So I'm gonna use my titanium pin. And same with your tools that you use to grab, to bend or whatever. They have to be steel. Have to be, at least. Water shocks it, and then it allows you to like get a nice clean punchy. Glass is one of the few art forms that you never touch the actual finished product while it's being worked on. While I was living in my van, I had a van and I bought A-class, and then I was like gonna just hang out in town and do all these repairs for people at the college. And then I realized, well, shit, I might as well just leave because I can go anywhere now. So I bounced out. And then that A-class got hit while I was in Oregon, destroyed, and then went back to my van. Down the road, I ended up with this. Yeah. I've been on with this for like 6 years. Go in there whenever.
Yeah, whatever. Yeah, while they're still light.
Yeah. All right, I'll do 2 suction cups on one. Yeah, Woody. So we have like, obviously the biggest difference is like with other buses is my door is here.
Yeah, mid door.
This fills some dead space with this being my display case for like my glass. Or if I do a little pop-up or something.
Yeah, this is amazing, this piece on here. I really like the idea of having a cabinet on the door. That's a cool thing.
Wasn't my idea, but. And then inside is kind of basic. I don't run. This is basically storage, but even though it's a propane fridge. The bedroom, basically my cat's room. You zoom back there, you might actually see her just laying on some peanuts. That's why I'm able to work right now. Is she back there? That's her room. Some bathroom. Have gray water, black water, shower.
Yeah, that's what I'm missing is a shower. I need to get a good shower going here.
Yeah, I love that.
And the living room.
I mean, it's what, 50 square feet or something. That's where I sleep. Up on top.
Yeah. Yeah, that's.
Reminds me of being in the Navy.
Mm-hmm.
Little bunk.
Yeah.
Yeah. Other than that, I don't have a kitchen. My kitchen's outside.
Yep, coming down. I just wanted to get down the stairs. The sun's starting to set.
And since I don't have a kitchen inside, I basically have my kitchen outside, where my sink is right here. This rolls out. It's on rollers, and my propane stove right here. But I don't cook, so unless more people are around.
Mm-hmm.
So that's my stove, and then this is my sink that actually I'm in the process of redoing, so where I have a shower outside. But now I want to convert it to the back, so I don't know. I'll put a new sink in there.
Pretty awesome.
Yeah. Whenever you see the orange, that's when it's palatable. It's like shapeable. This also means when it's really hot. All right, we're almost done.
Yeah, look at that. Beautiful. Jimmy, your sticker has made the wall in the hummingbird bus. And thank you for the interview, and I'll see you down the road next time.